Humanoid Robot is finally available to the public. Humanoid Robot is the world's first fully functional, life-sized robot designed to resemble a human female. With realistic features and lifelike movements, Humanoid Robot is sure to turn heads and catch attention. Whether you're looking for a new companion or just want to be the center of the attention, Humanoid Robot is the perfect choice. First robot on our list is Nadine. Professor Nadia Magnanat Thalmann inspired Nadine, a gynoid humanoid social robot. The robot resembles a person in appearance, with natural-looking skin and hair and lifelike hands. Nadine is a socially intelligent robot that responds to greetings, makes eye contact, and remembers all conversations it has had with humans. It can answer inquiries in multiple languages autonomously and imitate emotions via gestures and facial expressions, based on the substance of the conversation with the user. Nadine can recognize people she has seen before and participate in natural conversation. Nadine has been programmed with a personality, which changes according to what is spoken to it. For facial expressions and upper body motions, Nadine has a total of 27 degrees of freedom. It recalls information and experiences associated with each individual it has previously met. It may help persons with special needs by reading tables, exhibiting photos, holding Skype sessions, sending emails, and communicating with other family members. It may work as a receptionist in an office or as a personal coach. Nadine engaged with almost 100,000 people at Singapore's Art Science Museum during the exhibition Human Plus, The Future of Our Species, which ran from May to October 2017. In Singapore, Nadine worked as a customer service representative for AIA Insurance Company. This is the first time a humanoid robot has been deployed as a customer service assistant in the globe. Now we will talk about Junko Chihira. Toshiba built Junko Chihira, an extremely realistic-looking android, to operate in a new tourist information center in Japan. According to press release, the robot can speak Japanese, Chinese, and English, and made her debut a few weeks ago at Aqua City Odaiba, a retail district on Tokyo's waterfront. Currently, Junko Chihira greets guests as they enter, but in December, the android will be able to give travelers information on local activities. Junko Chihira is the successor of Aiko Chihira, a Toshiba android who worked as a receptionist at a department shop in Japan in April. According to a YouTube video, Aiko Chihira was made utilizing technology developed by Hiroshi Ishiguro, a robotics researcher at Osaka University in Suits, Japan. Junko Chihira, like Aiko Chihira, can only answer with written preset words for the time being. However, Junko Chihira will develop voice recognition skills by 2017, allowing it to react to inquiries from visitors. According to the Japan Times, Junko Chihira can speak one additional language than its predecessor, Chinese. Let's talk about the next Talk of the Town robot, Jia. Say welcome to Jia, China's first human-like robot, and by that we mean just that. Jia is intended as a robot, yet she is programmed to do everything a human would do. Yes, you heard that correctly. If you have a basic discussion with Jia, she is designed to create particular facial expressions based on the format requested, and may even acquire new talents from that individual. She looks real. Jia is a prototype that was shown on Monday during an economic conference hosted by UBS in Shanghai's futuristic financial district. This lifelike robot was created by a team of engineers from the University of Science and Technology of China, led by Chen Xiaoping, who worked on it for 2 years. Her developer expects that within a decade, many more such artificially intelligent AI robots would be doing fundamental human duties, such as working in restaurants, nursing homes, hospitals, and houses. Jia has black hair and dresses in traditional Chinese attire. She is the first sophisticated humanoid robot, and she may mark the beginning of a bright future for her kind. Now let's talk about our next robot, Sophia. Sophia is a social humanoid robot created by Hanson Robotics in Hong Kong. Sophia was activated on February 14, 2016, and made her first public appearance at South by Southwest in Austin, Texas in mid-March 2016. Sophia has been featured in several high-profile interviews and has been covered by media outlets all around the world. Sophia was granted Saudi Arabian citizenship in October 2017, making her the first robot to be granted citizenship of any nation. Sophia was selected for the United Nations Development Programme's Person of the Year in November 2017. Sophia's visual environment is provided by a computer vision system that interprets data from cameras inside her eyes. It can track faces, maintain eye contact, and identify people. Using a natural language subsystem, it can process voice and have conversations. Sophia was improved in January 2018 with working legs and the capacity to walk. CNBC praised Sophia's lifelike complexion and ability to mimic more than 60 facial emotions. The computer software, ELIZA, which was one of the earliest efforts to simulate a human conversation, is essentially comparable to Sophia. Like a chatbot, the software has been trained to respond to certain inquiries for phrases with pre-written replies. These replies, which include standard answers to queries like, "Is the door open or shut?" are intended to provide the impression that the robot can comprehend speech. Hanson Robotics revealed intentions in 2017 to expose Sophia to a cloud environment through a decentralized blockchain marketplace. According to David Hanson, Sophia would be a strong match for roles in healthcare, customer service, therapy, and education in the long run. Sophia demonstrated her abilities to draw, including portraits, in 2019. She is the first non-human to be named a United Nations Champion of Innovation. Last robot in this video is Ida. Ida is a humanoid robot that is widely regarded as the world's first ultra-realistic robot artist. Ida, which was completed in 2019, is an artificial intelligence robot that creates drawings, paintings, and sculptures. Ada Lovelace inspired her name. When she was able to sketch humans from sight with a pencil using her bionic hand and cameras in her eyes, the robot grabbed worldwide attention. Aidan Meller, a gallerist, created Ida in partnership with Engineered Arts, a Cornish robotics business. Her drawing intelligence was created by computer AI researchers at the University of Oxford, and her drawing arm was created by Salaheldin Al-Abd and Ziad Abbas, undergraduate students at the University of Leeds' School of Electronic and Electrical Engineering. Ida debuted her new painting arm, which allowed her to paint with a palette at the British Library in London in April 2022. Ida was the world's first ultra-realistic humanoid robot to be able to be an artist from her development in 2019. Using Professor Margaret Bowden's notion of creativity, Ida was able to create artworks that were actually creative, using specifically built AI algorithms in sketching and painting. She afterwards moved on to collaborative sculpting. Ida created history with her first self-portraits, painted with no conscious self. In her solo exhibition, Ida, Portrait of a Robot at the Design Museum in London. How do you create a self-portrait when you don't have a self? This highlights issues of identity in the digital era, as well as the function of our digital twin as we merge with technology, and was the first humanoid to create a typeface at the Design Museum. In November 2021, Ida utilized her language model to create and then perform poetry like a person would at the Ashmolean Museum in Oxford. She gave 2 public performances as part of the Dante, the Creation of Celebrity exhibition at Oxford's Ashmolean Museum. Ida was asked to present a sculpture in the Forever Is Now exhibition at the Giza Pyramids in October 2021. This is the first time that art has gained access to the pyramids' historical plateau. For the Platinum Jubilee, Ida is the first humanoid to paint Queen Elizabeth II. With this, I would like to end this video, with the hope that you liked it and enjoyed it. If you like our content, make sure that you like our video, and do share your views and opinions with us in the comment section below. Do subscribe to the channel to receive regular videos from us, and don't forget to click the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Until then, peace.